Have you noticed your dog slowing down, sleeping more, or looking lost in a home they used to know by heart? Most owners think senior dog care is only about softer food, shorter walks, or more vet visits. But caring for an aging dog goes much deeper than that. For an old dog, even small changes can make the world feel unfamiliar. A chair moved to a new spot, suddenly blocking the path your senior dog remembers. A hallway they used to walk through with confidence now feels confusing. A walk that once felt exciting now feels too long. A new pet starts getting the attention they used to get. And because they cannot explain what feels wrong, they may simply hesitate, stare at you, follow you more, or quietly pull away. So today, we are talking about 5 simple senior dog care changes that can help your aging dog feel safe, understood, and still deeply loved. 1. Keep their world familiar. The first thing your aging dog needs every day is not something expensive. It is familiarity. When a dog gets older, the home they once moved through with confidence can slowly become more confusing. Their eyesight may not be as sharp. Their hearing may fade. Their memory may not guide them as clearly as it once did. That means a chair moved across the room is not just a chair. A laundry basket left in the hallway is not just a small obstacle. A food bowl placed in a new corner is not just a tiny change. To an aging dog, these little changes can make a familiar home feel strange, unsafe, and harder to understand. This is why stability matters so much. Keep their bed in the same place. Keep their water bowl where they expect it to be. Keep the path from their sleeping area to the door as clear as possible. If they are losing vision, soft rugs, familiar scents, and gentle lighting can help them feel more secure. And please remember this: when an old dog bumps into furniture, hesitates at a doorway, or seems confused in a room they have known for years, they are not being difficult. They may be scared. They may be trying to find their way through a world that no longer feels as clear as it used to. And this is where your patience becomes their safety. If this kind of care matters to you, stay with this video and consider subscribing, because many senior dogs are misunderstood in small moments just like this. And the more owners who learn to notice these quiet signs, the more old dogs get to feel safe instead of forgotten. So before you change the furniture, rearrange the room, or move their favorite spot, pause for a second. Ask yourself, will this make life easier for my old dog, or will it make their world harder to recognize? Because for an aging dog, a familiar room is not just a room. It is their map. It is their memory. It is their comfort. And once their world feels safe again, the next thing they need is a daily rhythm they can trust. 2. Keep their daily rhythm predictable. Once your aging dog's world feels familiar, the next thing they need is a daily rhythm they can trust. Senior dogs do not always need more excitement. They do not need constant changes, new routines, or endless stimulation. What they often need most is the quiet comfort of knowing what comes next. They know the sound of your footsteps in the morning. They know the voice you use when you call their name. They know when breakfast usually comes, when the door usually opens, and when you usually sit beside them at the end of the day. To a younger dog, a sudden change in routine may be no big deal, but to an aging dog, predictability can feel like safety. Try to feed them around the same time each day. Take them outside during familiar parts of the day. Keep small rituals that may seem simple to you, but mean everything to them: a gentle greeting in the morning, a soft touch before bedtime, a few quiet minutes sitting nearby. And when you need to wake them, do it gently. Call their name first. Let them hear you. Then touch them softly. Older dogs may not hear as clearly, see as quickly, or understand sudden movement the way they used to. A rough wake-up can frighten them before they even know what is happening. Also, be careful not to push them into activity just because it fits your schedule. If your dog is tired, give them time. If they are moving slowly, slow down with them. If they seem unsure, offer calm guidance instead of pressure. Because an old dog does not need a brand new life. They need a familiar life that keeps telling them, day after day, you are still loved. You are still safe. You still belong here. And once your dog begins to trust the rhythm of each day, the the way you touch them becomes even more important. 3. Touch gently, speak softly, and let them choose. As your dog gets older, touch begins to mean something different. The body that once loved rough belly rubs, playful wrestling, and big hugs may now be more sensitive than you realize. Their hips may ache, their back legs may feel weak, their joints may be stiff, and areas they once enjoyed being touched may now feel uncomfortable or even painful. But here is the hard part. Your dog cannot say, "That hurts." They cannot say, "Not today." And many senior dogs will not snap, growl, or walk away right away. Some will simply freeze, some will turn their head. Some will lick their lips, avoid eye contact, or quietly tolerate something they no longer enjoy. That is why gentle touch becomes a form of respect. Before you touch your aging dog, say their name softly. Let them know you are there. Bring your hand close, but do not rush in. Give them a chance to sniff, lean forward, or move toward you first. If they stay relaxed, you can gently stroke areas they usually like, such as the chest, shoulders, or upper back. After a few seconds, pause. That pause matters, because when you stop, your dog gets a choice. If they lean into your hand, stay soft, or move closer, they may be asking for more. But if they turn away, stiffen, yawn, lick their lips, breathe faster, or leave the spot, listen to that answer. Do not force a hug just because you need comfort. Do not rub painful hips or sore joints because they used to enjoy it. And do not assume silence means permission. One of the deepest ways to love an old dog is not to touch them more. It is to touch them slower, softer, and with more respect. Because when your dog learns that your hands will never pressure them, your touch becomes something safe again. And once we learn to care for them gently inside the home, we also need to think differently about how we move with them outside the home. 4. Change the walk. Shorter, slower, but more meaningful. When your dog was younger, walks may have been about burning energy, more steps, more distance, more excitement. But when your dog gets older, a walk should no longer feel like a test of how far they can go. It should become a way to help them move gently, smell the world, feel confident, and stay connected to life. One of the most common mistakes owners make is keeping the same walking routine for too long. The same distance, the same pace, the same hills, the same stairs. But your dog's body may not be living in that old routine anymore. Their joints may be stiffer, their back legs may get tired faster. Their paws may slip more easily, their breathing may change in heat or cold. So instead of one long walk, try shorter walks more often. Let them set the pace. Let them stop and sniff. Choose flat paths, softer ground, and safer surfaces. Avoid slippery sidewalks, steep stairs, and extreme weather whenever you can. And pay attention to the quiet signs. A slower step, heavier breathing, stopping more often, lagging behind, or looking back at you as if asking, "Can we slow down?" Because your senior dog is not being stubborn. They are communicating with the only body they have left. And this is where many owners need to change their idea of a good walk. A good walk for an aging dog might be 10 peaceful minutes outside, slowly sniffing the grass, standing in the breeze, watching the street, and coming home before they are exhausted. That can be far more loving than dragging them through 40 minutes of discomfort just because they used to handle it. When your dog gets older, walks are no longer about distance. They are about comfort, confidence, and connection. So, if this helped you see your senior dog differently, leave a comment with one small change you will make on your next walk. And subscribe, because the more we learn to slow down for our dogs, the more years they get to feel understood. But walks are only one place where aging shows itself. Sometimes the most important signs appear quietly at home, in the way your dog stands, sleeps, eats, follows you, or pulls away. 5. Notice small changes and protect their sense of belonging. Senior dogs rarely change all at once. Most of the time, the changes are quiet. They may eat a little less, sleep a little more, stand up more slowly, get startled more easily, follow you from room to room, or suddenly spend more time alone. And because these changes happen slowly, many owners miss them. They say, "He is just getting old," or "She is just being stubborn." But sometimes, what looks like stubbornness is pain. What looks like clinginess is anxiety. What looks like confusion may be their body or mind asking for help. So every day, pay attention to the small things. Does your dog struggle to stand up? Are they walking slower, limping, or avoiding stairs? Do they wake up at night and seem confused? Are they bumping into furniture? Do they pull away when you touch one part of their body? Are they suddenly following you more or withdrawing from the family? Do not watch these changes with frustration. Watch them with patience. Your senior dog is not trying to make life harder. They are trying to live in a body that is becoming harder to understand. If you notice sudden weakness, pain, loss of appetite, trouble breathing, or a big change in behavior, talk to your veterinarian. Older dogs often need help before they can show you clearly what is wrong. And if there is a new pet in the home, protect your senior dog's space. Do not let the new pet take their bed, their food bowl, or their favorite resting place. Do not let a puppy bother them while they are sleeping. Keep greeting your old dog. Keep calling their name. Keep feeding them in the place they know. Because one of the deepest fears of an aging dog is not just pain, it is being replaced. Your old dog may no longer run to the door the way they used to. They may not jump, play, or follow every step with the same energy. But deep inside, they are still waiting for one simple message. You still matter here. Caring for an aging dog is not about doing everything perfectly. It is about noticing more, rushing less, and loving them in the way they need now, not only the way they needed when they were young. Keep their world familiar. Keep their days predictable. Touch them gently. Walk at their pace. And never let them feel like they have been replaced. Your dog spent years adjusting their life around you. Now, as they grow older, one of the greatest acts of love is learning to adjust your world around them. If this video helped you understand your senior dog a little better, subscribe for more gentle guidance on dog behavior, care, and the quiet signs our dogs are always trying to show us. And if you have an aging dog at home, leave their name in the comments, because every old dog deserves to be remembered, understood, and loved until the very end.